out. You guys can see all the dirt, all the brake dust built up on these wheels. But that's where Alien comes in. I really wish this would stay like this, because that'd be dope. But it won't. So I gotta figure something out to keep it up like that. Like I said, this stuff is waterless. Just phenomenal. Hope you guys can see that line right there. Pure, smooth. Nothing whatsoever. STI with a wing. He's been cruising up here lately. I don't know who owns it, but I think it's actually Adam. It's old car, so if you guys don't know Adam, then I don't know what to tell you. That's cute. Just noticed that. There's water in there. But just the feel of my car is smooth. I'm gonna set you back down. Obviously, all this is gonna be fast forwarded for you guys, for your guys' sake. Oh, looks like it's gonna rain. I'm not worried. I guess this thing could be cut in half. I could actually get 4 of them because I bought 2 of these. Like I said, this stuff works. My trunk is literally smooth. They said it's fingerprint resistant. Nothing. Alright, well, that's it. I stopped right at the cyan sign, straight up. Well, more along the lines like right here. But the overspray, you will have overspray. Yeah, no bugs. A lot of bugs. This whole side just looks absolutely amazing. I did use it on my windows. I still gotta like get the crap off still, because I didn't do that much good of a job cleaning up this back window. But yeah, it is literally coming out mint. I absolutely love it. Yeah, minus this. I mean, just a touch. Can you hear that? No, you can't. I'm gonna keep plugging away at it though. So, see you when we're done. So, I just got done. Little walk around. Notice how it's a lot shinier. You can see me walking with you guys. I mean, come on now. For real? There ain't no bugs. I even did the wheels. The wheels are brand new. Yeah. I even did the vinyl on that. Right here. That came out amazing. Yeah. I'm sweating. I'm gonna go take a shower before it actually starts raining, and then that's gonna be the ultimate test. Sorry, I almost stopped you guys. I think it's starting to sprinkle. So, this is gonna be the test for this stuff. It can actually hold up to the dirt and road grime. Because ideally this car, going over it again, had a couple streaks on the glass. Like I said, I just can use this on glass. I use it on mine, and you guys can see me. Pink, black, yellow. I mean, couldn't have done that before. I mean, even down here. See, I'm wearing pants. You know? It's phenomenal. I can actually do this and show you. got its, I'm telling you guys, it's definitely starting to sprinkle. So, I mean, ready? Sent you down. And you just slid. Just like that. Literally. Like, you would have just fell. Now, I'm going over the car again. Just because I can. I want this car to be shiny as all hell. I have to go get in the shower. I stink. I'm not gonna lie. I reek from doing this. Like, did my wheels. All that. They came out absolutely stunning. This stuff is just absolutely the best I've ever used my entire life of being a car enthusiast. I mean, yeah, whatever. It's... See? You guys are just sliding. Like, windshield. You guys were on my roof. Like, if that don't show you what this stuff does, no, it's not just wax. It polishes your car. It gets rid of the minor scratches. Like, I'm trying to find right now. Like, you have to have, like, a special light or some shit, like, to see them. I'm just not finding them anywhere. Swirl marks, gone. Oh, yeah, they're all gone. It's $30 on their website if you use a discount code. If it's still active. I mean, normal price, you gotta pay shipping and all that, so. Set you up on the roof. Set you up like that. Like I said, I'm going back over the car to actually get it in. This is the second time I'm going over the car. So, I mean, nothing. Not a scratch. I threw it off. Even shine the diffuser on the car, the fake diffuser. Holds in my reverse light. This stuff is gonna make washing this car a breeze. And I cannot wait. Got a show coming up. Well, the 22nd October up in Auburn. Address will be down below. Show up. Empire State Subies. Come on, let's go. Everybody's invited. Doesn't matter what you drive. Shit, I drive a Scion. Making sure this is not zoomed in. This is just... That shine is absolutely absurd. But, yeah. I mean, you definitely can feel it. Got some bird crap, you know? Yeah. I really gotta get that headlight replaced. It's irritating.